Is it time to buy or sell SOXL ETF? In this video, we will explore SOXL in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 12th of May, 2025, and now we present an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analysis. You wouldn't want to miss any vital updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by utilizing our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI and receive complimentary price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one of 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please keep in mind that this video is intended for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 8th of May, 2025, our system has ranked SOXL as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of 0.0. Now, let's examine the ETF's performance during this time frame. During this period, the ETF has exceeded our expectations, achieving a gain of 25.4% since we first recommended purchasing SOXL 3 days ago. This equates to an average return of 8.47% per day since it was designated as hold or accumulate. A score of 0 indicates that our system predicts significant volatility and risk for the upcoming trading day. Considering the recent developments, we are unable to ascertain the ETF's next direction, as it could potentially move in either direction. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential decrease of 51.43% over the next 3 months, with an estimated return ranging from negative 96.32% to negative 51.43%. Examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis reveals a projected change of negative 54.98%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from negative 100% to negative 11.21% over the next year. In practical terms, this would suggest a future price between $0 and $15.21. Our latest daily update for SOXL includes the headline, SOXL ETF price up more than 21.49% on Monday. The SOXL ETF price gained 21.49% on the last trading day, which was Monday, the 12th of May, 2025, rising from $14.10 to $17.13. It has now increased for 4 consecutive days. It will be interesting to see whether this momentum continues or if it takes a slight pause in the coming days. During the last trading session, the ETF fluctuated by 5.88%, with a day low of $16.50 and a day high of $17.47. The price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 39.38% over the past 2 weeks. Additionally, volume increased on the last day alongside the price, which is a positive technical indicator, with a total of 114 million more shares traded than the day before. In total, 261 million shares were exchanged for approximately $4.48 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $70.08, while the lowest price was $7.23. Currently, the price is 75.56% or $52.95 below the 52-week high and 95.47% or $361.11 below the all-time high reached on the 26th of November, 2020, when the price peaked at $378.24. The Direction Daily Semiconductor Bull 3 times Shares Exchange Traded Fund, or SOXL, has recently captured attention amid a rebound in the tech sector, demonstrating resilience as concerns regarding tariffs begin to soften. In late April, it was reported as one of the top-performing leveraged exchange-traded funds, buoyed by optimism about a market recovery following a tumultuous period characterized by tariff-driven selling. This shift towards increased popularity among leveraged exchange-traded funds indicates that investors are feeling optimistic about market movements, which could potentially drive SOXL's stock price higher in the short term. Furthermore, with Taiwan engaging in collaborative discussions with the United States regarding the semiconductor industry's future, the prospects for SOXL could improve even further. As the uncertainties of the trade war ease, this may encourage investment in key semiconductor stocks that are currently perceived as undervalued. Companies like NVIDIA and Texas Instruments stand out due to their appealing valuations and strong market positions. Additionally, despite past volatility associated with artificial intelligence market dynamics, there is a belief that SOXL may have reached a bottom, suggesting that a rally could be on the horizon. In the long term, if semiconductor companies deliver solid performances and the industry stabilizes further, SOXL could significantly benefit from these upward price movements. Therefore, both the current market dynamics and potential future developments are crucial for investors to monitor, as they could greatly impact SOXL's stock price trajectory. The following signals have been identified for SOXL. The SOXL exchange-traded fund holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the fund. Additionally, there is a general buy signal based on the relationship between these averages, as the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. During downward corrections, support can be expected at levels of approximately $13.87 and $12.86. A drop below any of these levels would trigger sell signals. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, the 8th of April, 2025, and to date, it has increased by 107.64%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot point is established. Moreover, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence. Volume is rising alongside the price, which is regarded as a positive technical signal. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal, pivots, I signal, observed 24 days ago, Bollinger, buy signal noted 100 days ago, short-term moving average, buy signal, recognized 15 days ago, long-term moving average, buy signal, identified 4 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal, detected 3 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal, issued 14 days ago, long-term moving average, sell signal, reported 57 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal, established 192 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you wish to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for SOXL. On the downside, the exchange-traded fund finds support just below today's level, from accumulated volume at $15.95 and $13.66. There is a natural risk involved when an exchange-traded fund is testing a support level, as a breach may result in the fund declining to the next support level. In this case, SOXL finds support just below today's level at $15.95. If this level is broken, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $13.66 and $13.29. This exchange-traded fund can experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. With a very large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this fund is considered to be very high risk. During the last day, the fund fluctuated by 97 cents between its high and low, which is equivalent to 5.88%. Over the past week, the fund has experienced a daily average volatility of 6.95%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SOXL. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for SOXL is at $17.41. If you don't own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the exchange-traded fund, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, SOXL encounters its first support level at $15.95. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $16.57, reflecting a decrease of 3.24%. This exchange-traded fund experiences significant daily fluctuations, which contributes to a heightened level of risk. The relative strength index over a 14-day period stands at 88, further amplifying this risk. Notably, there is a buy signal generated from a pivot bottom identified 23 days ago. Is SOXL ETF a good buy? SOXL holds several positive signals. However, we do not consider these sufficient to classify it as a buy candidate. At this stage, it should be regarded as a hold candidate, suggesting that investors should either hold or accumulate while awaiting further developments. Due to minor weaknesses in the technical picture, we have revised our analysis conclusion for this ETF since the last evaluation, changing it from a buy to a hold or accumulate candidate. After evaluating the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 13th of May, we anticipate that SOXL will open lower by approximately $0.0967, beginning trading at $17.03. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you agree and are responsible for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.